Hi friends, let me show you these new plastic deck tiles that I received for reviewing purposes. They are interlocking system, so you can install them really easily. They cover 27 square feet and each of them is 12 by 12 inches. Let me show them to you. Okay, so you can see this is 12 by 12. They have the interlocking system here, and being plastic, they are waterproof, okay, and basically weatherproof, okay. You install them really easy. You just have to join them together like this, and that's it, okay. You can use them in your deck, in your patio, in any surface that you want to protect and to have a nicer view, like this patio here, okay? So you can connect all what you need and you will have a really nice finish to your open space. You just interconnect them like this, really easy. You see? And you can adjust them to the surface that you need. Okay? There you are. Okay? You can keep connecting them. Of course, you want to make sure that the design, if you want the design to be side by side or like changing patterns, that's something you get to decide and to install them as you like them the most. Okay? Perfect.